hello, dear. Are you not afraid? Hey, psst. Dear, can you help me? Or may I help you? You know, it's been all about me so far. Maybe I should be helping the deer.
Perhaps.
Did the deer just speak?
The feeling reciprocates. Your soul is free to follow the flow of the ocean's tide. I invite you to focus your attention on the horizon. What do you see? There are none happiest in this world, but those who enjoy freely a vast horizon. Look deep, truly look, till the world slips away to nothing but you and the horizon.
Oh man, oh gee, am I going to Hogwarts? That's cool.
While days unfold, I find my sight fall to the sea. Time turns circles, while the tide draws breath. I hover before myself, suspended over waves, like a bird.
Nothing lulls the soul lost in reverie as the stars, shards of glitter and glass suspended over us. But is anything more mesmerizing than the transformation brought by the rain? Ah, puppies?